discovers an antique typewriter, its keys worn and beckoning. Intrigued, she begins to type, but with each stroke, words bleed onto the page, whispering secrets. Suddenly, the typewriter rattles violently, and she feels a cold breath on her neck. Chills run down her spine as the text reveals her darkest fears, each line more sinister than the last. A figure manifests in the shadows, its eyes hollow and hungry. Panic floods Clara's mind as she realizes the typewriter is alive, writing her fate. In a desperate act, she smashes it. But the figure grins wider, the curse now transferred. Clara's life becomes the next story, trapped forever in ink.